Last season I had a lot of trouble starting my rally lawnmower. The lawnmower has a Tecumseh engine. I took a look at the instructions on starting the lawnmower. Actually, I've been starting it the correct way. You're supposed to turn the throttle to the fast position and then prime it a couple of times and then you start it. So I have had no trouble starting it this way for 25 years. But last season I had some trouble, so what I did was I moved the throttle to a little bit slower position, and doing that I was able to start the lawnmower without having to rebuild the carburetor or even taking everything out and retuning it. So I'm gonna go out and see if this season is gonna start or if it's gonna give me trouble. Okay, I'm gonna put some gasoline in this lawnmower to see if I can start it. Last season I had trouble starting the lawnmower towards the end of the season. Normally I would set the throttle at the fastest point, but I discovered last year when I pulled the throttle back a little towards slow, I was able to start it. So I'm gonna try doing this again this season. So I'm gonna prime it a couple of times and then try to start it now. The primer bulb feels very mushy. Wow, I'm surprised. Normally I would have a hard time starting this lawnmower in the beginning of the season. It would require at least 6 or 7 starts to start the lawnmower. So like I said, this time I set the throttle to less than fast, and I primed the primer about 3 or 4 times. Like I was saying before, this primer valve feels kind of mushy, so I assume that I would need some kind of tune-up. I've been trying to avoid that because you have to take the screws off and they're all hidden, and I would have to order a carburetor kit. I think it probably needs a diaphragm here inside somewhere. It shouldn't be too difficult, but this is something that I try to avoid doing. This is a Tecumseh engine made in the USA, and it's made by Raleigh. This is a Rico's Home Center lawnmower. They have the name on it, but this lawnmower been with me for 25 years. So I'm surprised to start right off this season. I do need a new lawnmower bag. As you can see, it's all torn. Otherwise, it seems to be working okay. It's a Tecumseh engine. I put 30 weight oil in there and it works good. The only thing I changed was one of the wheels is plastic, and over time it just wears out. Close to 25 years. Amazing.